right here. This way, this way. This way. No. Oh.
Good boy. Bring it back.
Ready? Ready? Oh.
Good boy.
Ready? Drop it.
No, he's just going to run around with it.
That's fine. He took a shit he wants. Now he's feeling good. Go get it.
Whoop. Good boy.
He's got his pile over there.
Yeah, he's putting the balls over there.
Here we go. It doesn't bounce true to him over here.
Right.
Ready? Ooh. Ready?
You make sure he gets his running in with his extra circles. Oh! Good boy. Drop it.
Ready?
Drop it.
It's really drooling.
Yeah.
I couldn't go too far.
No, that was a pretty pathetic throw. Oh! Right off that schnoggin. Good boy.
We already lost the ball. Catch.
Oh.
Pretty sure we came with the...
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy on the battlefield?
Ready?
Sorry, guys. Something got in my foot there for a second.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Over there. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Ready?
Watch out for Jubal early.
Who?
The guy who put these cannons here.
Go get it.
Jubal early. Good boy.
Here we go. Next. Okay.
Look at you go.
Ready? Ready? Whoa.
It's behind you, buddy. Good boy, Patriot.
Ready? Patriot, ready? Ready? Drop it. Over there.
What a good boy.
Here we go. Here we go. Hey, drop it. Oh! Hit his foot.
Well, better than the noggin.
Woo, good job.
Look how fast you are.
Patriot, yep.
Hey!
Hey. Down it. Go. Uh-oh. Doesn't have the double bounce. He wants to get it on that bounce. There we
He
go.
does. Oh! Good boy.
Ready? There you go.
Good Patriot.
Ready?
Pretty cool to have a dog named Patriot
Come here.
playing on a
Hey.
battlefield.
Relax, guy. Good job. Ready? Head it back.
Yeah.
Ready? This way, this way, this way. This way. This way. Ready? Go again. Woo!
Yeah, boy.
Ready? Here we go. This way. This way. Ready? Here comes another one.
No. Funny hop.
There's no two bounces here. Ready? Good job. Oh, no. Oh, ready to catch? Ready?
Catch time. 1, 2, 3, drop.
1, 2, 3, catch. Good.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, catch.
Catch. Yeah.
Hey, hey, over here. Over here. Hey, hey. Stay over there. Over there. 1, 2, 3, catch. Not a good pass.
He had more fun chasing that anyway.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Time to put a leash on. Go to Jim. Jim, catch. Oh.
Thanks. He still got it.
Still got it. Give me ball.
Yeah, I'll give you a leash.
Give me ball.
Good boy. Look at you. Good boy.
You gotta get your water.
Yep, time to get your water. Good boy.